This is a man's speed bump. JJRC C130 off-road climbing bike is finally online. Let's do an unpacking today. Equipped with manual, remote control, screwdriver, charging cable, the prototype is similar to the big G bubbles. Although it is only the size of a palm, but the overall restoration of the real car tough off-road shape. Quick release car shell. Disassemble and assemble in 1 second. It is also equipped with a 7.4-volt 160 mAh lithium battery. It is also super convenient to replace the battery. Balance in appearance and practicality. Front and rear straight bridge multi-link structure. With full springs for shock absorption. Full-wheel shock absorption uniform force. Ultimate, waist, twist. Even with more complex terrain, it's adaptable. Original factory with 5 operation motor. Way brush JJRC PT on smooth. Once start running out, there's no dynamic fault. Precise control. Novices can also easily control, and also equipped with the vortex differentials. The biggest advantage is the super self-locking. Whether it's a steep slope, face-to-face, or unilateral high and low drop, lock without slipping. The steep slope is completely non-slip. Complex terrain offer possibility direct. As a 1/30 scale model, you can also easily experience the joy of climbing at home.